Hi, today we're going to talk about how you can collaborate with ClioVis. One of ClioVis's coolest features is that timelines work sort of like a Google document. Users can edit and access them in real time. So to start, we're going to create a timeline. I'll name it Collaborate, add it to a folder. Now you see, here's the timeline that I created. So since I created this timeline, I have full admin privileges over the timeline. But let's say if I'm working in a group and I want to add my classmates to the timeline, I need to be able to give them the privileges to edit it and share it. So if I go here to edit users, you can see I'm the only one who has access to this timeline. And now I need to add my classmates to it. So let's say I add Marcus here, and I can change Marcus's permissions using this button. So anyone who is a timeline admin has the privileges to access and edit all timelines, to be clear, in the project. So for example, if you're a teacher, you have those privileges. But I'm going to give him edit and share. And now if I open up the timeline, you can see I have a blank timeline, and the other collaboration feature that we have built into ClioVis is this chat feature. So if I type in here, this will message everyone in the project, so everyone in the class, something. And if I click timeline, that'll message everyone who has access to this timeline as well. So this is a great feature for if you want to talk in real time, but you're not in person, over what you want to add to your timeline and whatnot. Great. So now I'm going to show you if you are an administrator or the teacher of this course and you want to be able to change what your students have access to and sort of what these different roles mean. So what does that mean? Well, let's make sense of that. So if I go up here to project description, edit project, and click edit users, I can change the permissions that every role has. So if I click on student here, I can sort of change what they have access to now. So if I wanted students to be able to access and edit all timelines, even the ones they haven't been added to, or the ones that they haven't created, I could click that, and then that would give them that permission. And you can do this for any role that you can assign. So there's a TA role, and there's an admin role, which of course the admin has everything. And then you can also go through, and if you have an individual student, so Marcus has admin privileges, but if I wanted to just give Marcus student privileges, I could click student here. So this is a way that if you are the person who's sort of administering the ClioVis software, you're the teacher, you're the TA, and if the TA has admin privileges, they can go through and edit the permissions here. All right, and so those are sort of the main features that you need to know if you're using ClioVis to collaborate. And if you're a teacher or administrator, that's how you can go through and change people's roles on ClioVis.